Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so these are three life hacks. So sometimes you are kind of confused if you have key, like if you have many keys like I do. No key for your living room, key for your kitchen, key for the um veranda, key for the gate. Sometimes you be confused. First number one hack is to put nail polish. Put nail polish on your key to differentiate your key so that you'll not be confused. Then sometimes when you buy fruit and vegetable, I know some of you are guilty of that. You put your fruit and vegetable directly into the freezer, or is it freezer or fridge? You put your fruit and vegetable directly into the fridge and start I don't know how to say it, but it's like start becoming bizarre, like dark brown, or start going. Is it onions that grows when you put in freezer or fridge? Or let's just say refrigerator. So if you're putting your fruit or vegetable, I advise this is the second hack, the second life hack. I advise use a paper towel. Understand? Use a paper towel. You need a paper towel and you need a plastic container. You put your paper towel in a plastic container, then you place your fruit and vegetable, then put in your fridge or freezer. The paper towel is here to help you so that your fruit and vegetable will not be in direct contact with your plastic container or direct contact with your fridge. And the third life hack, I know you are very guilty. Your head shower is dirty. Your shower head is dirty. So you have to tie a bag, either a plastic bag or anything that can contain vinegar. You pour vinegar in it, then you place around your head shower, then leave it for the night. Then go to bed, do whatever you want to do, scroll on TikTok or whatever. Then come back in the morning and you see it's very, very dirty. And then while cleaning it, you can also use a magic sponge and clean it very well and everything will be good. And if you notice, this is my first long video with a good quality. I bought a new phone, so subscribe to my channel for more random topic. I don't have a particular topic. Thank you.